Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to prevent specific contacts from seeing your profile photo on Telegram Web using your PC. If you've ever wanted a bit more privacy while still keeping your account visible to certain people, this simple update will help you manage exactly that. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This is where you can control how your profile information is shared with others. Next, find the section called Who Can See Your Profile Photo? Click on it and you'll see different options for visibility. Select My Contacts. This tells Telegram that only the people saved in your contacts list can view your profile picture. Now, to block specific people from seeing your photo, go down to the Never Allow option. Click on it, and a list of your Telegram contacts will appear. Pick the users you want to restrict. These are the people who won't be able to view your profile photo anymore. After you've selected them, confirm your choice by clicking the checkmark or save button, depending on your interface. That's it.